Okay, so in the next section, which is 9.5, we're going to classify the different types of quadrilaterals. And beyond, these are going to be the basic classifications, but we're going to use the algebraic slopes, perpendicular slopes to find the sizes of the angles, to classify them better. So basically, it goes from top is more general, and then as you go further down the bottom, that's more specific. So at the top, quadrilaterals is the very general category. So on the first branch, we're going to talk about trapezoids. And the main classification of a trapezoid is you've got one pair of sides that are parallel. That's it. We don't care about the lengths of the sides. We don't care about the slopes of the other pair of sides. That's it. And you'll see that nothing else branches off trapezoids, so a trapezoid can't be classified even further. So the other route goes from a parallelogram. So a parallelogram means, very simply, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are the same side or congruent, and opposite angles are equal. We don't know what their sizes are, but we know that the opposite angles are equal. Okay? Now, there are three specific types of parallelograms. So a rectangle is a parallelogram, a square is a parallelogram, and a rhombus is a parallelogram. So if you can classify this even further based on their sides and angles, then that would be the best name. So the first option is called a rectangle. So a rectangle says the opposite sides are equal and that all angles are 90 degrees. So we're going to find the slopes of their sides and find out their opposite reciprocals, which make the sides perpendicular. The second type of parallelogram is a square. So remember, all squares are rectangles, but in addition to all of our rectangle categories, squares have that all sides are equal and all angles are 90. And then the last type of parallelogram is the main difference between a rectangle, square, and a rhombus is that the angles are not 90 degrees. So in a rhombus, all the sides are the same, but the angles are not 90 degrees.